Look at this gorgeous fence I welded a long time ago. I've got a cross brace on here. I've got weldable hinges. But once again, this is like the second or third time it keeps sagging. Plenty of concrete in here, but still that post must have settled just enough. It doesn't, you can't just grind that. That's more than an eighth, or about an eighth. You gotta cut and re-weld this hinge. I got like half of a tube right there. I'm gonna cut and re-weld that. Take an eighth of an inch off that side.
A few moments later, a few minutes later.
All right, so I have removed this tube. See where it latches there? I'm actually gonna remove the back side. That's about a 1/8 inch. Where this catches, we're gonna remove 1/8 inch rather than removing an 1/8 inch off the back side of these hinges. We decided the catch part, it is better to remove 1/8 of an inch. And we did the level test. It is level here and level there. The only thing we can think is it's sunk in the ground despite all that concrete. It's still sunk. All right, so here is the back side of the deadlock. I removed the end. We're gonna take another 1/8 of an inch off. Or maybe that was the 1/8 inch. And put it back on. Make sure it's level. Okay, we got it adjusted. This piece, we took the back side off and grinded it and took a flapper disc to it, cleaned it up a little bit. And now it closes like a dream. Nice soft click. Deadbolt is good. Not too tight, not too loose. Just like that. Now touch up the paint. And again, it would be overkill to weld all the way around this. I did 2 welds on this side, 2 welds on that side with my Miller-Matic and my shielding gas. Again, we did not need to mess with these hinges. This post is level both directions. That post is level both directions. The only reason it sank or it wouldn't close properly is because this post vertically sunk down into the ground. So we can't control that. There's plenty of concrete there.
Okay, let's go.